Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed exercise 2.5 3 poems. Today I am continuing that the next poem, that is fourth one. So what is that question? Express in kg. So first one 200 gram, second one 3470 gram, third one 4 kg 8 gram. Okay, so how to solve this one first? Take first one 200 gram. Okay, so how to convert gram to kg? Okay, you already know that for 1000 gram equals to 1 kg now. For 1000 gram equals to 1 kg. For first method for 1 gram. For 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kg. Okay. For 200 gram, just cross multiplication. For 200 gram, 200 into 1 by 1000. So what will get the answer? So this is in kg now. So what will get the answer? So here 2 zeros gets cancelled, but don't cancel here 2 by 10 because here 2 by 10 you get the answer no, but here you have to write in decimals no, so divide. So first here 2 by 10 is there, here 1 0 is there, so we have to shift this decimal point to left side by how many digits? 1 digit no, so take 1 0 here extra, so after that shift it by 1 place. So what will you get answer? 0.2 kg. Okay, this is the way of converting gram to kg. So second one 3470 gram. So you already know that 1000 gram equals to 1 kg and 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kg. So for 3470 gram, so just cross multiplication. So 3470 into 1 by 1000 kg. Okay, so multiply this one first. 3470 divided by 1000. So first cancel 0 0. Okay, after that here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So first write down 347 by 100. Okay, so decimal point is here. So here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. That means you have to shift the decimal point to left side by how many digits? 2 digits. So here decimal point is there, shift it. So what will we get answer? 3.47 kg. 3.47 kg. So next third one, sixth one 4 kg and 8 gram. So first write down in gram. 4 kg means 4000. 4000 plus 8, that is 4008 gram. So you already know that 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000. So 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kg. For 4008 gram equals to 4008 into 1 by 1000. So now multiply this one. So first 4008 divided by 1000. So here how many zeros? 3 zeros. Shifting the decimal point to left side by 3 place. So here decimal point is there, shift. So what will get answer? 4.008 kg. So next fifth one, write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. So there are 4 forms are there, I will explain only 2 forms. So first one 20.03. So how to expand this one? So first place values are here, this one is unit, first one ones digit, tens digit. Okay, what about decimal numbers? So this place is 1 by 10th place and next one is 1 by 100 place. So how to write this one? So first 2 into 2 place value is tens more, so 2 into 10 plus next 0. So 0 into 1's place, so 0 is in 1's place. Next this 0 is in 1 by 10th place, so 0 into 1 by 10. Next 3. So this one is 3 is in 1 by 100 place. So 3 is in 1 by 100 place. So we have to write 1 by 100. This one is 1 by 10. This one is 1's place. This one is 10's place. Otherwise, how can we write this one? 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into, we can write 1 by 10 as 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, this is not for your class, I am just explaining this one. Okay, So next 3 into 100 raised to minus 1. Okay. Otherwise you can write it as 10 raised to minus 2. Here 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 2. Okay. Only this is for your class. So next I will take fourth one, 2.034. So 2 is in ones place now. So 2 into 1 plus, so 0 is in 1 by 10's place. So 0 divided into 1 by 10. Next 3. So 3 into 1 by 100 plus 4 into 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 place. 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay. So otherwise you can write it as 2 into 1. Next 0 into 10 raised to minus 1. Next 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. So next second one, third one are over problems. So next question, sixth one, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. So there are 2 problems are there. So I will take first one. So sixth one, 2.56. So place value of 2. Place value of 2. 2 is 2 only. Why? Because 2 is in ones place. No? So 2 into 1, 2 only. So next, second one, 21.37. So place value of 2 is, so here 2 is in tens place. No? So that is 2 into 10. That is 20. Here 2 into 1. You will get 2 only. No? That's why I have done only 2. Here 2 is in tens place. That's why 2 into 10. That is 20. So next third one, 9.42. So place value of 2 is, here first one 1 by 10's place. Next 1 by 100's place. No? So we can write it as 2 into 1 by 100. 2 into 1 by 100. So how can you write this one? Here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So shifting the decimal number to left side by how many digits? 2 digits. So first here 2 is there. No? You want 2 digits extra. So 2 zeros, take it extra. So divide by 10. Sorry, 100. So here decimal number is here. Shift it to left side by 2 place. So what will get the answer? 0.02. So value is 0.02. So next fourth one, 63.352. So place value of 2 is, so here 1 by 10, hundreds, thousands. So 3 into 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. So here how many digits? 3 digits. So first write down as 3 digits, zeros extra, divided by 1000. So here decimal number is here. 3 digits means shifting the left side by 3 places. So what will get the answer? 0.003. Next seventh one, Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. So A is 7.5 km from B. So that means distance between A and B is 7.5 kilometer. Okay, distance between A and B is 7.5 kilometer and B is 12.7 kilometer from C and distance between B and C is 12.7 kilometer. Next, Ayub went from place A to D. A to place D and from there to place C. Ayub went from A to D and to C. But Dinesh went from A to B, after that go to C. Okay. So D is 9.3 km from A. That means A and D distance is 9.3 kilometer. And C is 11.8 km from D. Distance between C and D is 11.8 kilometer. Okay. So who traveled more and by how much? So how to solve this one? First, find out the total distance Dinesh. After that, find it for Ayub. Okay. So this is for Ayub. So distance from A to C is 7.5 kilometer. Next, distance from A to B, no, this one, A to B. Next, B to C, that is 12.7 kilometer. So the total distance from A to C. So just add it, 7.5 plus 12.7. Okay, so how to add this one? So first here 12.7 and 7.5. So write it like this, because here after decimal point 1 digit, here also after decimal point 1 digit. 7 plus 5 12 no? So 1 carry, 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0 1. So what is the total distance? 20.2 kilometers. So distance is 20.2 kilometer. This is the total distance covered by Ayub. Okay. So next, sorry, this is for Dinesh, not for Ayub. Okay. So this is the distance, total distance covered by Dinesh, not Ayub. Okay. From place A to C. So next one for Ayub. So distance from A to D. So what is the distance A to D? 9.3 kilometer. 9.3 kilometer. The distance from D to C. What is the distance? 7.8 kilometer. Okay. The total distance from A to C. So just addition. Total means addition. No? So add it 9.3 plus 11.8. So how to add this? So see here 9.3 and 11.8. So place values are same here. So 3 plus 8 11. So 1 carry, 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry 2. So 21.1 kilometers. So what is the total distance? 21.1 kilometers. This is the total distance covered by Ayub from point A to C. So next, who traveled more means just compare 21.1, 20.2. So which one is greater? This one is greater. No? That means who traveled more? Ayub traveled more by how much means you have to subtract. You will get the difference. So subtraction. Difference 21.1 minus 20.2. So subtract it, 21.1 and 20.2. So here 1 is smaller, so take it 10, 11, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 minus 2, 9. So cancel 0, 2 minus 2, 0. So what will be the answer? Don't write 2 zeros, only 1 0. So 0.9 kilometer. So therefore Ayub traveled more than Dinesh by 0.9 kilometer. This is the last form, because 8th one is a normal form. That's very easy. Just buying the fruits, food product, more fruits. That's wrong. Okay, that's very easy. So just type yourself. That's the homework. So next 9th question. This is also simple, but I will explain this one. So what is this? How much less is 28 km from than 42.6 km? So how much less? How much less means 28 km is 42.6. How much less means? Subtract it, you will get how much less. So subtract 42.6 divided by, subtraction minus 28. So here 28 is there, no? There is no decimal point want me to take it as 0 because here one digit is there. No? These are unlike decimals. Now I converted it into like decimals. So now subtract it. 6 minus 0. 6 only. Here 2 is there. Here 8 is there. So 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 minus 8. 4 no. So 1 cancel. 3. 3 minus 2, 1. How much less? 14.6 less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer. Therefore, 28 kilometer is 14.6 kilometer less than 42.6 kilometer. Okay, this finishes the exercise 2.5. Okay, so up to this much, this is the syllabus for